Okay, so last week we were looking to go long at the pivot support area, which was this line here. Yeah, it was partially successful. I did take some pips out of the market, but price progressed quite nicely at one stage and looked like it could be quite a good trade, but it met resistance at the 200 EMA on H1, which coincided with WP Pivot, and price reversed back to WS1 and went off again. Now, interestingly, I'm long on this pair again, mainly because if you notice here on the weekly chart, we are still at this level of support. If we look on a clearer picture, we can see that last week's candle was another doji indecision reversal candle, and if you also notice, the K line is moving above the D line on the stock, indicating a possible move north. So I'm still expecting this pair to head higher from these levels. So I'm in, like I said, already on this pair, but the trade I'm going to look at and the trade I'm going to make as my trade of the week is GBP NZD. Now, we've moved steadily north on this pair for the last couple of weeks, as you can see. And if we drag the chart down a bit, we'll notice that WR1 Pivot is coming in at this line of resistance. This line of resistance goes right across the charts, going back to last year. Got a nice touch here, nice touch here. We're heading to this area again. It does coincide with the WR1 Pivot. There are signs that the stock is weakening here as well. So if we get a push higher, possibly today, possibly later in the week, it might not get there. We might see price collapse from here, to be truthful. But if we do get a move up to WR1 or this area of resistance, I'll be looking to short the pair. So that's my trade of the week for this week. It's short GBP NZD.